Scarecrow here, and today we're gonna be playing some Magicite, and I got a tank character here. And if you do not know what Magicite is, cookie. Did that increase my health? I think so. Ah, that's crazy. Can you hear that in the background? I'm sorry if you can. Yeah, it's gonna happen, you know. So I should probably talk louder. Magicite is. Let me start off by saying I'm sorry. I didn't mean it, guys. I didn't. You know, it's your fault. You haven't been watching my videos. Why have you guys been not watching my videos, not liking, not commenting? That's because I didn't upload any videos for like a week. I'm sorry. No, I was in a good streak of uploading videos when just, you know, school is really fun. Yeah. That's my reason. School is fun. Super fun. It's like, you know, it's just there. You know, it's kind of. I mean, I know I can upload every day. I know for a fact. Oh my god, that's a lot of pigs. I know for a fact if I tried my hardest, I could not upload every day. Come on, let me try hard mode really quick. Oh, but anyways, the channel's been going pretty great. Thank you for all those views on my one video. No, I'm just kidding, but legit, it's like my only video with views. I mean, come on, guys. No one comments. What do you want to see? What do you want to see on my vids? Because I honestly do not know what the heck to upload. My axe broke already? That is not very good. That's legit kind of bad. I'm kind of scared. I need an adult. Look, there's a boss. Why? He has 100 health. I was on the wiki. Look, and I only do 4 damage. Later, man. Have fun. I don't want to deal with you. Basically, yeah, I need to stop rambling. And this game is you're basically a little guy doing levels, and you gotta get as far as you can. You can unlock different hats and stuff, but as you saw in the beginning, I didn't really show you because I'm a little scrub. Oh my god. Oh, I need an adult. Too many mobs. I just opened the chest. Is that a bone sword? Let's see. Let's see what that bone sword it was about. What's that? Zuhandala. Oh my goodness gracious, look at the attack. That's better than the diamond sword. Oh my gosh. We just locked down. What the heck? What? Oh my goodness, it swings so slow. Look how long it is. You know, I might not like this. I don't know about this. I don't know. I'm not too sure about this. I mean, I'm legit not too sure about this. I'm not too sure. See, it's just weird things like that in my video. Oh my goodness. We one-shot that fool. You know, I kind of am sad because it's not really good for you if this is your first impressions of the game for like me to be one-shotting everything. I mean, I don't mean to brag. We're good at the game. No, I'm trash at the game. What is charge? That's the worst thing ever. Yay! We can stamina for years. Not really. Oh, we didn't. Oh. Come at me, bro. I can't even. That's invincible! Dude, we need to find. We can 3-shot the boss. He has 100 health and we do. Wait, how much damage do we do? 40? Yeah, we can 3-shot the boss. Oh. Oh, the game knows. It's already putting me to the second hardness. There's like different realms and stuff. And it's hardcore. Like, what the heck? Look at all these chickens. Look at all. And of course, there's a small chance like a chicken god will be summoned. Here it is, 300 health. I'm such a nerd at this game because I was looking at the wiki a few minutes ago. And this thing is cray. Stop! Oh, balls. Stop it. Please stop. Tell my mom. You are such a nut. Thank you. Oh my goodness, it dropped like a whole bunch of potions. That's legit. How much money do we have? We have enough to buy a boat. GG, game over. Let's kill more chickens. Look at all those chickens. I just want their XP. Can we kill people? No. It's kind of lame. It's kind of lame. I want to kill people. I'm just kidding. Killing people is messed up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's sell that. Sell that. Let's sell that. Let's turn this into stone. Turn this into we don't even. Let's sell that. Let's sell that. Let's have that there. We're not quite hungry yet. Can we eat raw food? Yeah, we can also like kind of make a poop. That's so weird. Why would they have to? Why? Why? That's how you make arrows. Because arrows are good for your body. Not really. I'm lying. Oh, we probably should have saved some of that stone for a stone pickaxe so we could start getting iron. Oh my god, this music. What the heck is that? I'm a noob at this game, dude. I don't even know what I'm doing. What the heck am I doing? How do you even pickaxe, bro? Okay, let's... Okay, chill. You hurt me. You're abusive. You got quite a bit of range on you, though. Oh, I one-shot you because I'm OP. Can we drink a potion? Take a potion. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Hey, go. What the heck? You are crazy. Okay, hold on. I was like, every time I see something weird, I try hard. What is that? Like, for real, what is that? What the heck? It takes 80, 100. It killed me. What did we unlock? A berserker scarf and an orcalops. What the heck is that? So as you can see, oh my goodness, it's actually legit what he starts out with. Oh my goodness. Oh, but he has minus. Oh, but he's like a barbarian with tools already made, and so beautiful. What else did we get? Hat. This scarf was 33% chance on level up to gain an additional attack stat. Why not? This guy is like our barb. These guys are super hard to get. You can pause it. What? We only got on District 3? My God. Ugh. 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 Ooh, I kind of like that. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. We already start out with a whole bunch of junk. And a boss. You know, I could have used one last game, but you know, if you don't want to give it, I mean, that's fine. I think this is equivalent to a wooden pickaxe, and the fact that it can't mine iron, but I think it has a little more durability. Never mind, it can mine iron. I lied. Never trust me on this game. I'm legit kind of bad at this game. Legit. Like, legitimately bad at this. Legitimately bad at this game. Look at that boss. He's just bossing all over the boss. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. What? Shrek. Do this. What does that say? Thorn something forest? We can actually get iron gear pretty early on if we just really concentrate and are lucky with the drops of stone, and we're already hit. Nice. I like this. I like these swords that don't take 5 minutes to swing. Can we mine gold? No. Sadly not. Yo. Haha, sucker. I don't want to fight him there. It's actually a pretty bad spot to fight him. Oh my goodness, you are charging like a bull. It's like you're some type of bull or something. Try hard mode activate. Let's see what we got. Any drops that we can drink? I like drinking potions of healing. We got no herbs from that. That's nice. Out of all that junk that appeared on my screen, we got no drops of herbs. That was legit scary. That bull would have like one-shot me. So would you, but you didn't, cause you're a scrub. Ah. I just want a bow. Should we risk it? I mean, slime and 1 HP for the win. Now, we still don't have enough for a healing potion. What the heck? Why is this game so hard? It usually always gives you a healing potion. It's like different biomes. I already said that. What am I thinking? Like there's some crystally hardcore biome that I'm not good enough to go in yet. I'll just stick with the easy. Whoa! What is that? I don't know. I don't care. Let's go. That is all junk. That makes me want to kill someone. Yeah, I knew you could kill people. Yo, dude, you want some free stuff? Take it. Wait a minute. Whoa! I just made like the game a lot smaller on accident. It was like, what was that, F4? I don't want to press again, that was scary. Okay, how do we do this? Alright, nice. Oh, that's legit. Look at our guys. so awesome. He's like as awesome as a guy with a helmet that jumps a lot. It's pretty awesome. Oh, the bees, the bees. Grab some more iron. The bees are real. This guy will one-shot me. Go away, go away, go away. Never liked you, never loved you, never even liked you. I'm scared. I'm like a one-hit to everything but spikes. Go, 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 go! Made it out, and I'm not even trying for that stuff down there. Hurry, hurry, hurry before the bee comes down. Our hunger is surprisingly fine. Come at me, bro. Just kidding, I'm too scared to fight. Too scary for me. Let's just storm through this. We are super low on healing potions, though. Just going for the iron mostly. That's a boss I don't know about. Perfect. Yes, we get a herb. Come on, switch to your pick. Okay, that was kind of scary. Before we die, let's make that. So now we won't die. Okay, now we can take at least one hit from things. A chest! Yes, I have super good luck with chests. Not this time, little guy. Not this time. An unstrung bow. That's actually pretty good. How do you make string for the bow? String, and then I think you gotta get 2 more string. Will you come down here, please? Thank you. Should we risk it? We shouldn't have. We shouldn't have. Let's go. Let's go before it's too late. I knew we shouldn't have done that. Come on, chicken gods, don't be mad. It's always a test. Something magic. What is that? That is super bad. Like, super ultra bad. I mean, we really needed it. Why not? And before we forget, I did it again. I made the game small, but it's big now. No worries. I don't know if you can even tell. Can I not? Thank you. Refine your monster head. Someone smells funny. You do. Blah. Haha. Alright, Mr. Fucking weird accent. Put that there. Nice, nice. Okay, we get some attack and some defense. Nice, nice. Let's jump on down here. Maybe sell some treasure, sell them, you know what I mean? Should probably drink that, split that. Yeah, let's drink. Let's take a big gulp of this. Not that, this. We need a bowstring pretty soon, so if we see any spitters. Oh my goodness, that kind of earthquake. There's a spider, and it seems to be. Although, I was about to say, where am I? There's a slime coming. I'm scared. I hope my sword doesn't break. Oh my goodness. Oh my balls. My balls. Darn it. I didn't know how to make it, I'm sorry. Okay. Whew, that was close. Good thing we have enough for a healing potion. Our health would be Harry had. Harry had a little lamb and then he went in a garbage can and then it wrecked his face. Well, we're already down a whole bunch of health. Don't mind me. Did we just get 2 herbs? Yep. GG. Drink all the potions we can. Because we sure do need them. I usually never get this far, so I'm awfully scared. No, not my bone pick. Come here, little boy. Good job dropping your herbs like that. It's like saying good job eating your vegetables. Good job eating your veggies. Okay, what? I don't have any wood, by the way. Probably should do that. Oh my goodness! Whew. How do you get? Oh my goodness! There's legit no way to get wood, and you need wood for everything, because you don't start out with an axe. Does that mean we have to buy an axe? I'm a little worried. Maybe I shouldn't have picked character. Who knows? We could axe in here. Yeah, something crazy. Oh no! Oh no! Ironite blade. Oh, the choices. Oh no. Yes. Alright, so let's buy this. And sell some of that. Okay. Okay, I think I'm thinking this through, right? This net. Don't want it. I mean, I'm not even trying to make money here. This is just my trash can. Oh, whoops. Okay, so we got ironite blade. So we should make a pickaxe with the ironite blade. I'm gonna cry. I'm like so scared. I've never seen this before. Whoa! Oh my goodness, he can shoot through things. That's nice. You're ugly. Give me poison. You! No! Well guys, I'm gonna end this here. Thank you all for watching. I'm Scarecrow, and I'm